Here with us now is immigration attorney Renata Castro. Wonderful to have you. Thank you so much for weighing in. You know, when you talk about all of these cases now pending, and Brian outlined this problem, reportedly the Justice Department has requested $1.46 billion to hire, I think, about 150 new judges, legal support staff, 948 new permanent employees. Do you think that's enough to solve this problem, or at least help?
I think that the government lacks working understanding or working knowledge of an immigration case. It's amazing how all these band-aids are put in place, such as this request for hiring more judges, when everyone in the immigration bar who is a practicing immigration attorney knows that this will not work. Immigration courts are understaffed. We are still suffering from a pandemic backlog and also changes in policy from the previous administration that has seen an increase in people who should not be in removal proceedings clogging the immigration courts, and the critical low level of individuals who are represented in immigration court by immigration attorneys, just creating this vortex of chaos in ICE locations, such as the one that Brian visited in Miami, in Miramar, and immigration courts throughout the United States.
You know, you're in this all day, every day. What do you see as a viable solution? Is there one?
If the first thing that should happen is that immigration courts should become independent courts. In independent courts, such as when you go to circuit court or county court for a divorce or small claims hearing, you have WebEx hearings, you have remote check-ins. In immigration court, everything is incredibly burdensome and bureaucratic. There is no willingness from the top to make the system more effective. It's bureaucracy at every corner. And stuck in the middle is the migrant. And one of the things that I hope the viewers were able to see, the really inhumane conditions that these individuals are standing in line in Florida in the heat with babies. I have seen people be turned away for using the bathroom with their small toddlers, and they are losing days of work. They are paying Uber drivers to drop them off because there was no parking for a really long time. It is really chaotic and disorganized, and it shouldn't be that way.
And it has impacts, big ones, on U.S. citizens as well. Renata Castro, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.